Then on the track, we're here to thrive.
Let's go! Let's go! Thank you. Thank you.
A lot of times you're out there showing your own wares or what your particular product or service does to solve a given solution. And a lot of times that is in the context of we do it better than the other guys. But in this conference, I think it was different because we're all working on a common infrastructure, we're all kind of working with the same kind of data that we all had to work with. And then we were able to highlight that part of the data that we were working with as compared to others and show how it all works together. Rather than in typical situation where it's just, they do it this way, we do it this way, it was like, well, actually we can collaborate. I mean, we have some competitors here that are considered direct competition, but we both have an agreement that, it's more co-opetition, right? We're working together to move the industry forward.
Even though some of the people here might be considered competitors with each other, it seemed more of a friendly, collegial event. And I think we're all of the same mind that we're trying to get this whole open and unified way of doing control and automation embedded in the national manufacturing consciousness. And so we're all kind of working together towards a greater good, and therefore we don't necessarily see each other as competitors.
It's been a great experience. The show itself, or the conference itself, has been very collaborative and very different than other conferences that you see, where we're actually going in and improving the software, not just doing the glitzy show type of stuff. We're actually having to go and implement something in front of the crowd. And I also really like the show just from the standpoint of it's really focused on the digital transformation, the data collection.
Positive feedback. There was an incredible amount of information to learn and consume here. If you're a company that was looking to understand what's possible and how systems work together and vendors work together, I can't think of a better conference that you'd be able to get demos, all the people in the same room, and to get every question that you have answered. That's the good piece of advice. I'd say probably the part that could be improved for next year, and the part that I hope to help out with, is to have some sort of map of all the ProveIt sessions so that you can understand where they fit in the Connect, Collect, Store, visualize, analyze map, and kind of the type of demo that they're doing, so that all the different ProveIt sessions, you can understand which ones you want to see and which ones may not be as important for you to see.
The days were long. I think maybe a little bit shorter so I could go see them all, and maybe I could see some of the other booths. Positive feedback, food was awesome. The actual shows themselves, I was very surprised by the conference itself. It was great. And for it being the first time that they were doing it, they knocked it out of the park.
I absolutely want to do the show again. It was amazing, the people that have come here, and it was great to have these technical deep dives and really get into the nitty-gritties, and to be able to really expose what this digital infrastructure can do for you, especially what MQTT and Sparkplug can do for you. A negative simply would be, I think we need to have more time. The content was really fast, right? And we need to have more time to kind of see the session, have more time for the networking, and kind of balance those parts. But adding another day or half a day could really help with that. So ultimately, very small criticisms, but I think it's a great event.
One of the parts that I really have liked about this experience has been felt like a true community, and Walker and the rest of the team have really tried to foster an atmosphere of wanting to work together, put our minds together, and truly collaborate and try and make this industry better, and that can benefit all of us. Rising tide lifts all ships. So if we all improve, then it helps all of us.
The only negative feedback is, maybe we need a bigger space, because this there's a lot more enthusiasm than maybe they anticipated initially. So, it's going to get bigger and better as this grows.
It just was an incredible show. I would say this, at this point, the feedback has been, it's confirmed that this is a game changer. This is it's a transformative show of like-minded thinkers built on a common community. All around, I'm just proud of the team. I'm grateful for the community. I'm impressed by what the vendors have done, and I'm full of gratitude at the end of the day.